On May 13th, 2025, Thomas Creeder, aka Glorious Eggroll, announced the Nobara Project 42, a substantial update to the Fedora-based gaming and content creation distribution, introducing a new default browser, which is Brave browser, an in-house Flatpak store, which is Flatpost, a fully rolling release model, enhanced driver management, and updated core components including GNOME 48 desktop environment, KDE Plasma 6.3.4, Mesa 25.1.0, the NVIDIA 570.144 driver, and the Linux kernel 6.14.6. Now let's start with the introduction. Nobara Linux is a user-friendly spin of Fedora, tailored for gamers and creators, spearheaded by Thomas Creeder, known in the community as Glorious Eggroll. Since its inception in July 2022, Nobara has prioritized out-of-the-box support for proprietary drivers, multimedia codecs, and gaming tools. With version 42, the project transitions to a true rolling release cadence, ensuring users receive updates continuously rather than through major version jumps. Let's talk about the default browser, Brave. A headline change in Nobara 42 is replacing Firefox with Brave as the default browser. Selected after extensive testing revealed GPU crash issues in Firefox-based browsers when scrolling live videos with VRR enabled. Brave was the only browser that withstood these tests without additional system packages for codec support. And it ships under a custom policy that disables Brave rewards, wallet, VPN, AI chat, Tor, set DNS over HTTPS to automatic for a streamlined experience. Now, let's talk about the Flatpak store and the package manager. To simplify application management, Nobara 42 unpins the Nobara package manager from the desktop and favorites, discouraging new users from inadvertently tampering with system packages, while keeping it installed for advanced users who search for it manually. More importantly, the traditional GNOME software and KDE Discover tools have been replaced by Flatpost, an in-house Python or GTK Flatpak manager that handles installation, removal, upgrades, permissions, and repository management across any desktop environment. Flatpost provides permission toggles akin to Flatseal and serves as a one-stop shop for Flatpak applications. Now, let's talk about the rolling release and infrastructure improvements. Nobara 42 formalizes the rolling release model introduced with Nobara 41, meaning that all updates, including those for the base Fedora components, are delivered via the standard system updater without waiting for discrete version updates. Mesa has only been patched with additional fixes targeting Wine, Dayland, and Doom: The Dark Ages, ensuring smoother performance for games and virtualization. A revamped driver manager allows effortless switching between Vulkan driver variants, which is Mesa Vulkan drivers versus Mesa Vulkan drivers -JIT, and NVIDIA drivers, open versus closed source, across production, beta, and new features channels. These enhancements make it simpler than ever for users to optimize their graphics stacks for performance or stability. Now, desktop environments and core components. Nobara 42 ships pre-configured with two desktop environments, GNOME 48 and KDE Plasma 6.3.4, catering to both modern GTK and Qt preferences. Under the hood, it features Mesa 25.1.0 for open source graphics acceleration, the proprietary NVIDIA 570.144 driver for optimal GPU support, and the upstream Linux kernel 6.14.6 for the latest hardware compatibility and performance improvements. Now finally, the conclusion. With Nobara Project 42, Thomas Frieder solidifies Nobara's position as a polished, ready-to-use Fedora variants for gamers and content creators. The shift to Brave, introduction of Flatpost, rolling release stability, and comprehensive driver tools underscore Nobara's commitment to delivering a seamless, high-performance desktop experience right out of the box. Whether you are on a gaming rig, a content creation workstation, or even a handheld HTPC setup, Nobara 42 offers an all-in-one solution that just works without the usual post-install tweaks. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace out.